We're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a faucet in the kitchen here. This is directly from Moen, and that is their contact information and the model number of the faucet. It is under warranty, so they replaced this free of charge, so there's no further warranty on the faucet. But that is their contact information if you ever need parts for this faucet or want to know what it is that we installed. Anyway, so installation pretty straightforward. Cover plate, and then a single hole mount. It did come with a soap dispenser, but there's not a hole for it, so it's still sitting in the box. Additionally, you have a little O-ring that goes on for a single hole mount. If you were to put this faucet on one hole, then that gasket would go in there. So anyways, it's installed. I do recommend that you not get any water up on top of the sink, which means don't wash the top of the sink down, any of this sink portion that's sitting down here. The reason why is you've got separation at grout joints, extended grout joint back there, so water gets through there. Also, you have 4 holes, 1, 2, 3. This does have a gasket on it, so does this, but just don't take the sprayer and spray it down. Just wipe it down, and then you feel free to clean out the basin, but just keep the water off the top right here and you should be fine. So everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.